Welcome to this lesson on vacuoles, the storage compartments of cells. Vacuoles are fascinating organelles that play crucial roles in both plant and animal cells. Today, we will explore what vacuoles are, how they function, and why they differ so dramatically between plant and animal cells. Understanding vacuoles is essential to grasping how cells maintain their structure and manage their internal resources. Vacuoles are membrane-bound organelles that function as storage compartments within cells. Think of them as cellular warehouses where the cell can store various materials. These organelles are surrounded by a membrane that separates their contents from the rest of the cell. Vacuoles are found in both plant and animal cells, but as we will see, there are significant differences in their size and function between these two cell types. In plant cells, vacuoles are remarkably large structures. A single central vacuole can occupy up to 90% of the entire cell volume. This massive size serves an important purpose. The large central vacuole provides structural support to the plant cell through what is called turgor pressure. When the vacuole is filled with water and other substances, it pushes against the cell wall, keeping the plant cell firm and rigid. Most plant cells contain just one large central vacuole, which dominates the cell's interior space. Plant vacuoles store a diverse array of materials essential for cell survival. Water is the primary component, which maintains cell hydration and creates the turgor pressure we discussed earlier. Plant vacuoles also store ions and minerals that are needed for various cellular processes. Sugars and other organic compounds are kept in reserve for energy and growth. Additionally, plant vacuoles serve a protective role by storing toxic substances and waste products, safely isolating them from the rest of the cell. Animal cell vacuoles are quite different from those in plant cells. They are much smaller in size and do not dominate the cell's interior. Instead of one large vacuole, animal cells typically contain multiple small vacuoles scattered throughout the cytoplasm. These vacuoles are often temporary structures, forming when needed and then disappearing once their function is complete. This flexibility allows animal cells to respond quickly to changing needs. The various types of vacuoles in animal cells perform specialized functions. Food vacuoles form around ingested nutrients and help digest them by fusing with lysosomes. Contractile vacuoles are especially important in freshwater organisms, where they regulate water balance by collecting and expelling excess water from the cell. Transport vacuoles move materials within the cell, carrying substances from one location to another. Each type of vacuole serves a specific purpose, tailored to the cell's needs. Let us compare the key differences between plant and animal vacuoles. In terms of size, plant cell vacuoles are very large, occupying up to 90% of the cell, while animal cell vacuoles are small and numerous. The main function of plant vacuoles is storage and structural support, whereas animal vacuoles focus on storage and transport. Plant cells usually contain just one large vacuole, but animal cells have several smaller ones. The unique role of plant vacuoles is maintaining turgor pressure for structural rigidity, while animal vacuoles serve as temporary storage compartments. Let us summarize what we have learned about vacuoles. First, vacuoles are membrane-bound storage compartments found in cells. Second, plant cells have large central vacuoles that provide both storage capacity and structural support through turgor pressure. Third, animal cells contain smaller, multiple vacuoles that perform specialized functions such as digestion, water regulation, and transport. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate how plant and animal cells have evolved different strategies to meet their unique needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.